Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to see how to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. Now in this part 11 of this training series, we are going to see two important points of AWeber. The first one is how to enter your customized email address into our AWeber account. The second one is how to integrate AWeber with our lead pages, which is the funnel building software. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. So with that being said, let's get straight into our AWeber account. Now this is the AWeber dashboard and we have created the list name called test, which you can refer in the previous part of the training series. Now the first thing to be done is go to the list options and then go to the list settings. So under list settings, you have three areas and you can first go to the confirmation message and double check whether this has been turned off. You always need to check that both these buttons have to be turned off in order to avoid the double opt-in. Now next go to the basic settings. Now under settings, you can scroll down and you can see the name and the from address that we are going to use, which is the customized email address. So in this case, the from name is Manogar and the email address is a Gmail address, but we are not going to use a Gmail address. It is prohibited. Now, when you click on the manage email addresses, now it takes us to this page called domains and addresses, and you have to verify the email addresses that you use to send messages to your subscribers. Then set up custom DKM to improve deliverability. Now, this is very important part of this verifying the email addresses, because especially after the February 1st Google and Yahoo updates regarding the sender requirements, it is prohibited to use free email addresses like the Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, and Hotmail. And it is clearly showing here that Gmail address is prohibited domain. So you should never use Gmail address for email marketing purposes. So you can always use your customized email addresses like this one, where you have bought this email address from a Bluehost or a Namecheap domain, and from there you have built the email address as mono@affiliatemono.com, for example, and you can use this customized email address to send the email to your subscribers. There are two components to this. One is verifying the email address and then setting up the custom DKM and DMARC records. You can see this green tick and you can see this green button. So these two turns to green only when both are verified. So this turns authenticated only when you verify this email address. And this turns to green only when you set up your DKM and DMARC records. Now first, in order to authenticate your email address, you have to enter your custom email address over here, and then you have to click on the send verification. So the email will be sent to your customized email address, and you can check your cPanel under your Bluehost or Namecheap from wherever you have bought your email address, customized email address, and you can click on the confirmation over there. So once the confirmation is done over there, this turns to a green tick. So that is, it is authenticated. Now, next part is that you have to verify these with custom DKM and DMARC records. Now, how to verify it? Just go and click on the setting buttons, view DNS records, and it is shown here the setup instructions for affiliatemono.com, where you can add the DKM and DMARC records. So you can see the three CNAME records to be set up for DKM, and you can see the DMARC policy, the TXT records that are to be added for DMARC policy. And first thing is that you have to add the name and the value under the CNAME records in your Bluehost or Namecheap domain provider. So similarly, you have to add the next one and the third one. All these are CNAME records, and you have to enter them in your CNAME records of your Namecheap or Bluehost. And next comes your DMARC policy. Now for creating your DMARC policy, which is the TXT records, you can get the DMARC TXT records free from a website called dmarcian.com, and you can go for the DMARC record wizard, and here you can scroll down and enter your customized email address and click on start creating. So once you click on those, you have to finish all those questionnaires that the website asks you, and then finally you can create a tmark txt records for your purpose, and you can also get your txt records. Next, you can go to the dmark policy and you can enter this txt records name and value in your email domain provider, whether it is Bluehost or Namecheap. So after installing all those details in your email domain provider, you can always check the status whether it is installed and it turns to green. So once it turns to green, then it is clear and it is done. So that's how you're going to set up the DKIM and DMARC records. So once the custom DKIM and DMARC records are set in, then it's just the start of the email deliverability process here. So there are some other requirements, like you have to maintain the spam rate less than 0.03% and also make sure the unsubscribe headers are also available according to Gmail's news center requirements. But these topics can't be covered in an entire YouTube series. So if you're really serious about your email deliverability and if you want to really build an online business, then I would request you to check out the my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below. So now let's discuss the second point, which is the integration of AWeber with the Lead Pages account. So this is the Lead Pages account, and if you have not got the Lead Pages account, then I would request you to check the link in the description box below for the 14 days free trial of the Lead Pages. Now we need to integrate our Lead Pages with our AWeber account. Now just scroll down in this dashboard and you can see the integrations part. Now click on the integrations and you can see the native integrations, and here you can see the AWeber account and you can see the different autoresponders over here. Now click on the AWeber and you can see already this account has been connected with the AWeber. So if you want to connect new, then you can always click on the connect new account and you can enter the account name and then click on connect. So after you click on the connect button over here, you will be taken into the AWeber login page where you have to enter your email address and the password for smooth integration of this AWeber and Lead Pages. So they have made it really simple. So once you enter the email address and password, it gets integrated. So if you want to know how to integrate the exact landing pages with the AWeber account, then I'll just show you now. Now go back to the landing pages, and you remember that we have created the landing pages in the previous training series. So just click on the test, which is the landing page which we have created. Now you are taken to this landing page where we have created this, and you can click on in this the form. This is the form. So you can click on inside this form and you can see here the integrations, and you can see the lead notifications are available. So whenever an user or subscriber opts in, you will be notified by the Lead Pages to your registered email ID. So that is what it is, lead notifications. And you can see the add an integration button. Now click on the add an integration button and you can see the different email marketing services, AWeber, Getresponse. So I'm just going to use AWeber for this. Click on AWeber and click on this drop down, select destination, and you can see you can't see this test over here. Now just refresh this. So once it is refreshed, you can see the test over here. Now click on the test button over here. So click on the test and after that click on save. So it is saved and click on update. So now it's done. So whenever you're going to use this landing page and you're going to use this URL and you're going to provide this to your solo ad vendor, then once they subscribe, once they enter their email address and first name, they will be directly sent to the email list which is called test. And you can see those email addresses by just clicking on the subscribers and click on the subscribers button over here, and you can see those email addresses being captured here. Now, if you have not got your AWeber Plus plan, then I would seriously recommend you to check the link in the description box below in order to get your AWeber account. So that concludes our training on AWeber and Lead Pages, where we have seen the email automations, email broadcast, and how to set up your custom email addresses, and also the setting up of DKIM and DMARC records. So the next email autoresponder that we are going to see is Getresponse, and you can use it as an alternative to AWeber in case you want it as your primary email service provider. So let's meet in the next part of the training series. Until then, bye.